Alright, so this is the start of the off-road portion, if you want to call it that, to Toquerville Falls, which is where we are planning to overland tonight. It's supposed to be a really rough road. The first little bit is. So I stopped and aired down. We'll see how it is. From our campsite here at Toquerville Falls. Got here last night around 6:30, 7 o'clock, something like that. So we still had some daylight and just spent some time enjoying the place and getting everything set up, and eating supper and all that. And now this morning, kids and Mariah are still asleep. I've been up for a little while, just relaxing and enjoying the morning. And I wanted to give you a walk around of our campsite in the area. Just to give you a heads up, if you're coming here, it's about 3.5 miles of off-road driving that you got to do to get here. You will need a high clearance four-wheel drive vehicle to make it here without damage, but we got here and it was a fun challenge, and it's simply amazing. It's probably the best campsite I've ever stayed at, and highly recommend it. So yesterday we went into Zion and mainly just drove around, just walked a few short distances, rode the shuttle bus to the top of the park, And today, unfortunately, we were hoping to do the Angels Landing hike, but we couldn't get a permit. And so I don't guess we'll be doing that this time, but we're gonna head back in there in a little while, figure out some other hiking to do, explore around some more, and then we're gonna wind up in the area of Bryce Canyon National Park tonight. But let me flip the camera around and just walk you around our campsite here real quick. All right, so here's the rig set up. And here is our backdrop. I was sitting enjoying some morning coffee a few minutes ago. Despite being way out, seemingly in the middle of nowhere, a couple of cows have showed up this morning. I guess they're coming from down in the valley, the same direction you're looking right now. I was not expecting to see those. Alright, let me show you Toquerville Falls. This little canyon, it's pretty impressive. There's the canyon. A very epic swimming hole down there. If it were a little warmer, it'd be super tempting to jump in. And then here are the falls themselves. Back up to our campsite. I'm telling you guys, it's pretty epic. Pretty epic. Really thrilled to be here today.
Do you want to go explore a little bit?
Yes.
All right, let's go. This way.
He's doing explore.
Just doing a little exploring here at Toquerville Falls. The kids have been wanting to come down towards the water. So we've packed everything up and getting ready to go. And now we're gonna take a look around here. Hey Travis!
Bye.